The wicked flee, though no one pursues, but the righteous are as bold as a lion. What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole, and I am back with another video. Yes, girlfriend, happy New Year's. So if you hear my voice, I sound a little sick. That's because I am, but your girl still got to do these videos for y'all. How has everyone been out in the YT? Like, I missed y'all. So I'm super excited, super happy to bring you this wig. I got this wig on Amazon. I will leave the links below. I also am using a new phone to edit, so this is very different. So please, y'all, excuse me if this editing ain't coming out the way I normally edit. But let's go ahead and get right in. So this wig is super cute. It's super affordable. It is synthetic. It also has plenty of curls, which I like to pluck out and make bigger. Like, look at the body on this wig. It's absolutely amazing. But the thing I think I want to do, which I didn't do on video, is actually cut it shoulder length, because I don't think I'm liking the long pieces. You'll see here in a minute, I actually go in and try trimming it up a bit just to give it more layers. And that looked good too. But I think I'm going to chop it to shoulder length, guys. But this wig is really nice. It fits very well. The more you pluck, the bigger it gets. So if you're a girl who likes big curls, then this wig is for you, honey. Okay, and I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of this video.